Introduction to new ways to discover metabolic problems. Introduction to metabolic dysfunction evaluation using breath analysis triad of tests for metabolic state for possible clinical trials. Acetone breath tests and other breath markers for metabolic dysfunction. RQ breath test. Breath test for inflammatory markers, insulin levels and other biomarkers. Now that metabolic impairment is associated with cancer, heart disease and diabetes, it is important to find new ways to use new tests to find these diseases early, and the precursors to these problems. In addition, 97 million Americans are known to have insulin resistance. Many who are not obese also have metabolic impairment or undiagnosed diabetes. Some 10 to 20 million Americans have diabetes and don't know it. This has become a worldwide problem with epidemic numbers in India, Mexico, and other countries. Routine blood sugar tests do not tell enough of the story of diabetes or prediabetes. Poor metabolic processing of carbohydrates along with inflammation may explain part of the cause of cancer and diabetes in obese people. Obese people run a risk of developing cancer because their extra weight leads to insulin resistance, because some of their weight is the result of unhealthy diets, and the metabolic imbalances that occurred. Irish researchers at University College Cork of metabolically healthy people found that inflammation, not weight, may be the major cause of diabetes among obese people. Those who are metabolically healthy are people who show a lower range of inflammatory markers, like cytokine, homocysteine, and other markers. They looked at 2,040 people between the ages of 50 and 60. It found that 35% of obese members of the study group with a body mass index of 35 or more were metabolically healthy. But they may not be healthy, that is why a triad of tests is needed. The study is available in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism at jcem.and-journals.org under the title Does Inflammation Determine Metabolic Health Status in Obese and Non-Obese Adults?